Soar into the future with the Ace VTOL Slipstream Elite plus Trinity, a marvel of modern aviation that's setting new standards in air mobility. This sleek eVTOL is designed for two, blending speed, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Equipped with 4 innovative arc reaction engines, the Slipstream Elite Plus Trinity offers unparalleled agility in all directions: up, down, forward, and backward. This craft stands out with its super-fast 8-second battery recharge and includes atmospheric ion in-flight recharging for continuous performance. It prioritizes safety with a 3-tier redundancy system and distributed electric propulsion for reliable operation. It's managed by a blockchain-based AI flight system and piloted remotely through a VR interface, allowing precise navigation even in tight spots. Explore the city of tomorrow with the GM Chevrolet ENV 2.0 concept, a visionary leap in urban mobility. Unveiled at Auto China 2012, this evolved design builds on GM's groundbreaking ENV concept, blending sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge technology for a sustainable future. The ENV 2.0 isn't just any car, it's a 2-seater electric marvel that redefines driving in congested cities. It boasts advanced connectivity and electrification, promising to alleviate traffic woes, parking hassles, and environmental concerns. Equipped with features like in-vehicle climate control and personal storage, it's designed for comfort and convenience across all weather and road conditions. GM's commitment to transforming urban transport shines through with pilot studies across China, making futuristic travel accessible today. Zoom into the future with the ICOMA Tatamel bike, an electrifying blend of portability and high-tech design. This foldable electric bike, featured at CES 2023, offers a smart way to zip through the city. It comes with a 12-amp-hour battery that provides a range of 18.6 miles and can hit speeds up to 25 miles per hour, all while charging in just 3 hours. Its compact design supports up to 220 pounds and folds easily, making it perfect for apartment living or office commutes. Looking for a new approach to short trips? The Tatamel bike brings you both freedom and flexibility. Experience the thrill of the future with the Verge TS Pro, an electric motorcycle that redefines speed and agility. This marvel packs an electric motor into the rear wheel, rocketing riders from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with an impressive 100 Nm of instant torque. Designed for high performance, it includes a large battery at the base to lower the center of gravity, boosting stability and delivering up to 217 miles on a single charge. The rapid charging feature powers the battery from 0 to 80% in just 35 minutes. Equipped with cutting-edge software to improve the ride, the Verge TS Pro delivers an exciting glimpse into the future of motorcycling. Get ready for the fire truck of the future, a game-changer in emergency response. Explore this innovative fire truck, crafted from advanced materials for a sturdy yet lightweight build that speeds to emergencies fast. It's equipped with autonomous driving technology, slicing through traffic with precision to deliver help quicker than ever. This truck boasts a high-capacity, eco-friendly water tank that uses recycled water, minimizing environmental impact. An onboard drone system flies ahead to assess fires, providing the crew with crucial real-time data. For tackling blazes, it features a robotic arm capable of piercing through structures to spray water or foam right at the fire's heart. Enhanced with AI-driven communication tools, this fire truck coordinates flawlessly with other emergency services, boosting the efficiency of responses. Discover Citroën's autonomous mobility vision, redefining urban transport. The Citroën Skates, an automatic electric platform, transforms city commutes by linking with specialized pods. Picture yourself in the Sofitel En Voyage pod for a cozy lounge setting, or getting fit in the Pullman Power Fitness pod during your ride. This system showcases advanced technology for top-notch safety, efficiency, and comfort. Thanks to its open-source design, third-party developers can create additional pods, broadening its use and making it more accessible. Citroën's method puts a new spin on city travel, making it smarter and more adaptable as we move into the future. Who needs a driver anyway? Explore the Zoox Robotaxi, an autonomous marvel reshaping city transit. Crafted by Amazon's innovative team at Zoox, this vehicle transcends traditional driving with its absence of steering wheels and pedals, enhancing the travel experience for up to 4 passengers. The Zoox Robotaxi, powered by sophisticated AI, proficiently maneuvers through urban landscapes at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour and is adept at night and in light rain conditions. Passengers are treated to an array of high-end features, including wireless charging, personalized climate setting, and a tailored music system, all enhancing the ride's comfort and convenience. The safety design is top-notch, featuring an innovative horseshoe-shaped airbag and a full array of sensors, securing a dependable and smooth journey. Say goodbye to traffic jams with the Daher Insat's Gyroscopic Transport, a groundbreaking solution for urban mobility. These large, disc-shaped vehicles ride on expandable legs, lifting above traffic and creating multiple layers of travel. Powered by solar-charged flywheels, they ensure eco-friendly continuous operation. Inside, passengers can choose from rows of seats or luxurious pods with couches and TVs. The gyroscopes provide smooth and stable movement, making the ride comfortable and efficient. This innovative transport system promises to eliminate traffic congestion and reduce pollution, all while offering a unique and enjoyable travel experience. Thank you for exploring the incredible transport systems of 2050 with us. From flying taxis and autonomous cars to high-speed trains and eco-friendly vehicles, the future of travel is here. Embrace these innovations and get ready for a world where every journey is an adventure. Stay tuned for more on the future of mobility.